Hi, today we're going to show you how to make a YouTube video and upload it using only your phone. So select your YouTube app, and first thing I like to do is in the upper right corner, make sure that I'm logged into my school account and not my private account, so I don't have to send kids to my private account. And then we're going to click on the camera icon at the top to make our own video. Now from here you want to probably go to landscape to get a wider picture, and then you click record. Here you get ready. Here's our teacher getting ready to teach class, and we go to record our video.
Today we are going to do 3 jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3. I'm so tired. I'm done.
Now, once your video is recorded, then you just come back. We give it a title, PE class, describe, follow these steps. I like to make sure that it's set to public so kids don't have to worry about logging in and stuff. It does mean that anyone in the world can find this video, but I'm not too worried about that for my videos. And then click upload. Uploading can take a while. We have a nice short video here, so I doubt it'll take more than 15 seconds or so. So it's uploaded, and now it's going to process real quick. And it says this video is ready to be watched. So if I click here, then I can click share, and I can copy the link, I can email it out, I can share it to Google Classroom, or any other app that I use to communicate with my students. Thanks for following along, and contact me if you have any questions.